This video tutorial explains the system settings of the Movnorm series monitors. Click the screen to bring up the menu, click Settings, and then click System Settings. There are 7 parameters in the System Settings card: OSD language, OSD transparency, System reset, black level, gesture zooming, live mode, and record key position. Click OSD language to switch between English, simplified Chinese, traditional Chinese, Japanese, Russian, French, and Spanish. Click OSD transparency to adjust the menu transparency. Click System Reset to restore all settings to their original state. Click Black Level to turn the black level on or off. Click Gesture Zooming to turn the gesture zooming function on or off. When the function is turned on, you can touch the screen to zoom in. Click Live Mode to turn Live Mode on or off. When the 3D LUT function is turned on, the contrast, saturation, clarity, and hue cannot be adjusted when Live Mode is not turned on. When Live Mode is turned on, the above parameters can be adjusted. Click Record Key Position to change the position of the recording key in the camera control menu. The above is a complete introduction to the Movnorm series monitors system settings.